Hey there. So I need your help again. It's about the book. So now I need a title for the book. So the book is all about wanting to be an actor, how to get into the acting industry, everything acting. I wanted to call it Take It From Me. So like take an action take, take it from me. But if you have a better idea, then pop it into the comments. And then if I choose your idea, then you'll know, because there'll be a book with your title on it. But at the moment, I'm thinking of Take It From Me. But if you have something better. And so also, if your title gets picked, I will mention you in a TikTok or I don't know, something. Hopefully like not 20 million people. I'll say, I can't say that I'm going to give her a free book because I don't know how to do that. But yeah, I would just love some help if you could help me, please. Thank you.